Once upon a time, there was a young monk named Kavi. He lived in a peaceful village surrounded by beautiful mountains. Everyone admired Kavi because he was always calm and focused. One day, some naughty monkeys arrived in the village. They caused trouble everywhere they went. They swung from trees, snatched food from people, and made a mess. The villagers became frustrated and couldn't find peace anymore. The villagers turned to Kavi for help. They wanted to know his secret to staying calm. Kavi decided to go into the forest where the monkeys lived. When Kavi entered the forest, he saw the monkeys jumping around and playing. Instead of chasing them or getting angry, Kavi sat under a big tree and closed his eyes. He started to meditate. As Kavi meditated, the monkeys became curious. They stopped their mischief and watched him. Kavi's calm energy spread through the forest, catching the monkeys' attention. While Kavi meditated, his breathing became steady and his mind focused on the present moment. The monkeys noticed his peace and started to calm down too. They joined Kavi in being still and quiet. The forest, which was once chaotic, became a peaceful place. The villagers who followed Kavi were amazed by what they saw. When Kavi finished meditating, he slowly opened his eyes. The monkeys approached him. Feeling a sense of trust, they climbed onto his shoulders and arms, as if they understood his peaceful presence. The villagers learned an important lesson that day. Kavi taught them that staying calm and focused doesn't mean fighting against chaos. It means finding peace inside yourself, even in difficult situations. News of Kavi's wisdom and the monkey's transformation spread across the village. People from far and wide came to learn from him. Kavi became a symbol of inner peace and focus. From that day on, the village lived in harmony. Kavi's teachings helped everyone find calmness and focus in their lives, no matter how chaotic things seemed. And so, Kavi and the peaceful monkeys became a legend, reminding people that true peace comes from within and can be found even in the midst of chaos.